Good afternoon, everybody. It's Wednesday the 13th of January, and today's learning challenge lesson is all about earthquakes. We're carrying on with our topic from this week, and we're going to be seeing if we can find where some of the world's biggest earthquakes have occurred. So your task today is you are going to find the top 10 biggest earthquakes that have happened around the world. So, as you can see here, I've even put it on the slide, you are going to research the top 10 biggest earthquakes and the year that they happened. And then in our next lesson, we are going to locate them, so find them on a map, and that's what our next lesson will be. So on a document of your choice, you are going to list your top 10 biggest earthquakes using the internet to support your research, find out where they would be and when they happened and where that case would be. So for example, it might be the world's biggest, you'd put that right at the top, number 1, and then go through the list and write them down yourselves, and then put your work into the assignment folder, which should be handed in like you normally would do, and I will go through and see them over the course of the afternoon. So good luck with that. Any questions? You can send me a message through Teams and I can help you if you need any. Alright, good luck with that task. Speak to you later.